Hi guys, welcome to today's class. Today we'll be looking at calculus, polynomial functions. If you look this closely, you see that the question is y equals 3x cubed minus 7x plus 9. Find the square y over the x squared. One thing I need you to know is this is second derivative. The first derivative is the usual dy over the x. So how do we solve this? So the first thing you do is you need to find the y dx of this, which is y dx. Now when you have the y dx, since this is a polynomial function, what I have here is a polynomial function, then it means that you have to break this down. How? If you remember from the standard derivatives, we have a situation whereby you say when you have y equals xn, so dy over the x of y is dy over the x of y is, this comes down and you minus 1 from this. So when this comes down, then that will be n x n minus 1. So that's the pattern we'll be using to solve these questions. That's the pattern we'll be using to solve this question, to see how this works. So let's commence. So this is a very good example of what we'll be doing. So the y dx of this, will be 3 comes down, that will be 3 times 3 x, then that's 3 minus 1, then minus 2 comes down to meet 7, that's 2 times 7 x, then 2 minus 1. Then don't forget that the variable assigned to 9 will be x raised power 0. Why is it x raised power 0? From zeroth law indices, we are told that n raised power 0 is 1. So 1 times 9 still gives you the same thing as what? 9. So coming back to this place, this is plus, you have 0 comes down to meet 9, that's 0, times 9 x 0 minus 1. So because the whole 0 is multiplying 9x 0 minus 1, so that gives you 0 at that point. So that's why the constant, when you differentiate a constant, it is 0. So that's why when you differentiate a constant, it is what? 0. So coming to this place, this will be 3 times 3, that's 9x. 3 minus 1, that's 2. Then minus 2 and 7, that's 14. Then x. 2 minus 1, that's 1. Then plus 0. Of course, plus 0, it doesn't make any point writing that out. So this is my first derivative. Now the statement here is, how do I proceed to second derivative, which is also straightforward. Now you come back to this place, the square y over the x squared. That means that the answer you get from the y dx, you differentiate it for the second time. So in differentiating for the second time again, this becomes, with the same pattern we have applied above, this is 2 and 9 x 2 minus 1 minus, now 1 comes to meet 14, that's 1 times 14 x 1 minus 1, which is 0. So with this, that means that your d square y over the x square is 2 and 9 is 18, then x 1. minus 1 and 14 gives you what? 14. That's 14. Don't forget, x raised power 0 is what? 1. So since x from 0 to since x raised power 0 is 1, 1 times 14 still gives you the same as 14. So finally, guys, my answer becomes the square y over the x squared equals 18x minus 14. Thank you so much, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.